Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also great. Everything is well. So guys, today I want to explain you financial freedom. How much important financial freedom? If you have financial freedom, you can go anywhere. You can buy anything. You can eat anything. Without financial freedom, you have to face a lot of problems. So, guys, nowadays financial freedom is much important. So, guys, I want to explain you how can get financial freedom. If you want financial freedom, you have to wake up
उधर ही है,
early
उधर ही
morning.
तो आगे बढ़ाइए थोड़ा सा।
You have to be honest. You have to be hard work.
खड़ा भी होइए, सैर
You
बढ़ाइए।
have to do everything for money. Then you can get financial freedom. Otherwise, you have to face problem entire life.
यार उनसे वो तो उनसे डाल देंगे तो इतना शुक्रिया अदा करें।
Don't waste time. Don't go here there. You have to be honest for work. You have to
थोड़ा बोलने लग रहा है,
save money. You have to start work. You have to do everything for money. Then you can achieve goal. Otherwise, you have to face lot of problem. Everywhere you have to face problem. If you are ill at that time, you have to face problem. If your kids went to school, if your kids go to school, there you have to for money, for book, for everything you have to face problem. If you talk about family, if you give money timely, then everyone will be happy. If you talk about parents, parents wants money. You have to give every month money there. So guys, if you watch my video every day, you can get financial freedom. So guys, as you know, I am businessman, I am illiterate, I haven't any education. Means I did class 6. Even then, I have good financial freedom because I do hard work. Without hard work, sir, you can't get financial freedom. You have to hard work. थोड़ा आवाज सुन तो. So guys, I have lot of worker, so they do fight each other. That's why. So guys, if you want financial freedom, I said already you have to wake up early morning because morning does define your future. Morning does grow your mind. Morning time your brain lives calm. Morning time you will meet work. Morning time everyone you will meet fresh. So guys, you have to wake up early morning every day if you want to success life, if you want grow life, if you want to signer luck. So you have to do everything alone. Okay, because guys, it is a world. Okay, without pay you can't get anything. I know because I belong a very poor family. I faced lot of problem. So that's why I know value of money. So guys, I want to explain again. Suppose that your salary 50,000 You have to spend only 40,000. If you spend 55,000, day by day, you have to face problem. So guys, financial freedom most important. But how can get financial freedom? You have to save money. Every month, every day, you have to save money. Then, and second reason, one work, if you are job keeper, one income fit your life only. Multiple work protect your life. Suppose that you are doing 8 8 hour work, it is okay. You have to do every day 2 hour more and more. 2 hour income, you should save money. 8 hour 8 hour you fit your life, but 2 hour protect your life.
क्या हुआ है? खाली बंडल गिनो।
So guys, if you do try every day for save money, day by day, you can save a lot of money. So guys, as you know, nowadays started Ramzan, so I am fasting. That's why I can't talk a long time, because my tongue is thirsty. So guys, that's why I started AC. So guys, I want to explain every new guys, if you want freedom, financial freedom, you have to save money, and you have to work extra. You should not spend money waste. You have to save money. Don't waste money. Everything will be better one day. So guys, I want to explain one thing. Don't lose hope. Everything will be better, but you have to work wisely. Okay? Guys, if you are learner, you should watch my video. If you watch my video every day, one day you will be able to talk in English. If you want to talk in English online, if you want to talk WhatsApp call, everything, you can call me. You can talk with me. I will explain everything. Because as you know, I am beginner too. You are beginner. So I can talk together. So guys, I am feeling little bit weak. So guys, I will upload tomorrow. You should watch my video. If you like my video, you should share. You should like. It is your a small thing, would be better for me. Thank you so much.